Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rain shower heads that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the rain shower head with handheld by Razim. This dual shower head system offers a patented magnetic docking feature, ensuring your handheld shower head stays securely in place. The 12-inch square Rainfall head provides full body coverage, delivering that spa-like experience many of us crave. With 10 spray settings on the handheld, including 2 turbojets, it's versatile enough for everything from relaxing massages to cleaning stubborn spots in your bathroom. The build quality is impressive, featuring a polished silver finish and self-cleaning nozzles to prevent clogging over time. The adjustable angle allows you to tailor the Rainfall head's position, ensuring targeted comfort for your shoulders and back. However, the plastic handle material feels less premium compared to other options on this list. This shower head combo is perfect for those who value versatility and ease of use, but it does come with some drawbacks. While the magnetic docking is convenient, the overall design might not appeal to those looking for a more luxurious aesthetic. It's a great option for families or pet owners, but if you're after a more premium rain shower experience, keep watching. Coming in at number 4 is the Pinwin shower head combo. This set features a 10-inch square rain shower head paired with a 5-setting handheld unit. The adjustable 11-inch extension arm is a standout feature, allowing you to fully customize the height and angle of your rain shower. With over 100 self-cleaning silicone nozzles on the main head, you'll enjoy consistent spray performance without the worry of clogging from hard water deposits. The inclusion of a water regulator is a thoughtful touch, enabling you to control the water flow for a more tailored shower experience. The build quality is solid, with a polished stainless steel finish that resists rust and looks great in modern bathrooms. However, the handheld shower head's 5 spray settings might feel limiting compared to other models with more options. This combo is ideal for households with varying height requirements or for anyone looking to upgrade their shower system without breaking the bank. That said, its slightly lower water pressure may not be the best fit for those who prefer a high-pressure shower. Overall, it's a reliable and affordable mid-range choice. At number 3, we have the SparkPod high-pressure rain shower head. This 6-inch round shower head is designed for simplicity and performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their shower without the hassle. SparkPod delivers high-pressure water flow with its 90 easy-to-clean rubber jets, ensuring a consistent and satisfying shower experience every time. The design is sleek and modern, with a polished chrome finish that complements most bathroom styles. Installation is a breeze, no tools required, and SparkPod even includes extra Teflon tape and a water filter for your convenience. What sets this shower head apart is its water efficiency. With a maximum flow rate of 1.8 GPM, it's perfect for eco-conscious users who want to save on their water bills without compromising on performance. While the single spray setting might not be for everyone, the SparkPod excels in delivering a luxurious rainfall experience. It's best suited for those who want a straightforward, high-pressure shower head that's easy to maintain and install. If you're looking for simplicity and performance, this is the one to consider. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Viken wide range shower head combo. This luxurious set features an 11.8-inch rectangular Rainfall shower head, offering full body coverage and consistent water pressure. The 6-mode handheld water spray adds versatility, with settings ranging from mist to massage, making it perfect for everything from rinsing your hair to bathing pets. The adjustable extension arm is a major highlight, allowing you to customize the height and angle of your shower. This makes it a great choice for households with members of varying heights. The build quality is excellent, with a durable chrome finish and anti-clog nozzles that ensure long-lasting performance. Installation is also simple and tool-free, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your bathroom. While the Viken combo offers plenty of flexibility and performance, Its 1.8 to 2.5 GPM flow rate might not be sufficient for those who prefer a more forceful spray. That said, it delivers a luxurious and customizable shower experience, making it a fantastic choice for families and individuals alike. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bozibo high-pressure rain shower head combo. This dual shower head system is packed with features, including a massive 12-inch square Rainfall head and a 10-setting handheld unit. The patented magnetic docking system ensures a secure hold, while the ability to switch between the fixed and handheld heads, or use both simultaneously, adds unmatched convenience. Performance-wise, the Bozibo excels. With 278 anti-clog nozzles on the rain shower and 4 powerful massage jets, you're guaranteed a spa-like experience every time. The water pressure is robust, and the materials, including a polished chrome finish, give it a premium look and feel. The self-cleaning nozzles are a practical addition, reducing maintenance and ensuring consistent performance over time. This shower head combo is ideal for anyone looking for a high-quality, feature-rich option that balances luxury and functionality. While it's on the heavier side, its build quality and performance make it worth the investment. If you want the ultimate rain shower experience, the Bozibo is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.